Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about two methods with respect to NumPy arrays. One is ravel and another one is flatten. So we will see how both the methods works and the basic difference between both of them. So let's start. So as usual, I am importing NumPy array. I am addressing it as NP and I have here a two-dimensional array with some elements in it. So if I check the shape of this array, it will say me 4, 4. Why? Because I have 4 rows and 4 columns in this array 2, which is two-dimensional, right? Here are 2.endem. If I check this, it will give me 2. So now I want to show you the main difference between ravel and flatten. Okay. So first, let's say I am creating a variable rav and then I am calling arr2.ravel on this array. So if I execute it and then check the contents of rav, you see what happened. All the elements will be flattened, okay, and a one-dimensional array will be returned, right? So you see, if you check the dimension of rav, it will be 1, okay. So this is what ravel does. But if I say rav of 0, I can access like this, right? It says 100. If I say rav of 0 is equal to 111, I am changing the value at 0th index. Now if I check rav, that element at 0th index will be changed from 1 to 111. But meanwhile, in arr2, the new changed value will be affected at the 0th index. Why? Because this particular ravel method will return us the view of an array. It will not return us the copy. Okay. So this will return us the view of this particular array arr2. So since we are changing something on the view, the original array will be affected. Here what I am doing, I am changing the element at 0th index with ravel variable. Okay, I am changing from 1 to 111. You can see it is changed from 1 to 111 here, but the original array arr2, it will also be affected because ravel will return us the view. Okay, so now let us see the content of arr2. It is like this. Now we'll see how flatten works. Okay, let me create a variable flat and then store the output of flatten method on array2. Now if I check flat, it will be the elements will be same as of array2. Okay, but the dimension will be 1. So all the dimension will be expanded and it will be returning as a one-dimensional array. Okay, same thing as ravel, but this returns us a copy of this particular array. Ravel doesn't return us the copy, it returns us the view, but flatten returns us the copy of this particular array. Now if I say flat of 0, it will return us the element at index 0. And if I now change it to, let's say I change it to 1 again. Now if I check the contents of flat, the element at 0th index is now changed from 111 to 1. But arr2 will remain unaffected. You can see the element at the 0th index, the first ever element in this particular array is not affected. It is not changed back to 1 because this flatten will return us the copy of this particular array. That's the main reason. But ravel will return us the view. Okay. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you guys understood the difference between ravel and flatten. Both does the same thing, but one returns us the view, another returns us the copy. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this and understood the difference. If you have got any questions, please post it in the comment section. I will try to answer them. So happy learning. Bye bye.